We have been here 5 pa morning. See the sun?
The sun.
And the people. See the
Where?
people.
Where?
Oh, wait, a quick glimpse. Wait.
No. There, oh.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I cannot see now where it ends. I know we will get there, right, Karine? Okay.
Kanina pa may they
Stop.
need to help.
Help us. We're desperate of registration. We are not parasites of society. Eh? Stop, please. This is how flawed Comelec is. Grabe ka flawed.
Yellow Aisha. Ani Adrian.
Sad. Mga one speaker lang dayon.
Lapo Nelson. Tingin sa natin Lapo Nelson. Dalinda. Dalanida. Ispan. Dalanida.
Grabe ka rin, mamatay na tayo.
I'm dying.
5 a.m. 5:30.
Wala pa may breakfast,
10 na,
lunch, dinner.
10 na. Wala ma breakfast, lunch, dinner. Wala yun. What we have are peanuts.
Peanuts and water.
Peanuts and water, that's it. See? Care of clams.
Yeah, what the fuck?
This sucks. This sucks. Dahan pa i-insert. Can't even see the friggin' line. See? That's the one dividing the line. I don't know if it is actually working. Anyways, I will stay up here until we actually register. We will not give up.
Kuya pa namin.
We're leaving. Fuck! Yawa! We are leaving because we cannot do it anymore. I don't know. Committed ba na kay Jim?
Fuck you, Comelec people.
Yeah! Shit you! People who make inserts. What a flawed program you have. That's what we have to do to practice our suffrage. Hana ka gabi. Yawa! Grabe pinaka-hours, Karine. 6 hours! 6 fucking hours! And we went nowhere. We ended up going home. We're hungry, you know? We can't just face there. And I'm sure if mag-wait pa like 5 o'clock na or something, mag-decor salary for gym. That is what we gave up, right?
Yeah.
Even mag-work pa tayo just to vote, to practice our right to suffrage. Fuck! We are going now. Our futile effort to actually vote has came out to the conclusion of going home.